Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tommy, and today we're gonna finally work on putting the frame of my Jeep back together. So I've got everything fitted. I did that actually several weeks ago. Got the inserts all prepped and everything, and tonight the frame will hopefully go back together. And I'll show you the next steps or how I'm gonna do it, and the plan moving forward. So stay tuned. So as I've explained before, this is the insert that's gonna bridge the gap between the front frame section and the rear frame section. So this plate is cut to length, so it'll be the perfect length to stretch the wheelbase, the frame 15 inches. What I'm doing is putting a 3/16 plate all the way through on this side of the rectangular tubing, as well as on this side. That's what that piece there is for. So then I'll plug weld all these guys to ensure basically that the plate is one with the frame rail. This will insert into that part of the frame. This piece here will insert into that part of the frame, and then I'll drill a couple of plug weld holes on the frame rails to tie it into the plate. And then in addition, I have these plates here, which will be big fish plates running the whole span. And for anybody who thinks that may not be strong enough, I'll bring you Exhibit A straight from Chrysler Corporation. This big old giant hole that goes all the way through the frame on both sides. So I think what I'm doing here is going to be stronger than that. So yeah, I think we'll be good. So let's get to it. You can see some of the tack welds going in. One thing that we found out was that the inner dimensions of the new frame sections are a little bit wider than the frame on the factory frame sections on the Jeep. So we actually I don't know if you can be able to see that. There's an ever so slight gap there and over there. And that's so that these pieces here can slide into the frame like so. So that's kind of how it's all going to go together. And then you can see the front has not been slid in place yet, but progress, getting there. All right, are we ready? All right, up then. Come on, Mark.
Here we are.
Come on down. You push on it.
Give it a shove. There we go.
Oh, can you slide me the key? Thank you. That's pretty flush. I think that's it. Now we just got to square it up and start welding. Put the light on. So it's not lighting into my hole. All right. Any other reasons that these two pieces should not be welded together in holy fabrication?
About 90% of that's gonna be ground off anyway, so.
Yeah, well that's why I don't mind putting a little
Where you
extra
drilled
in
it out,
there, you know.
yeah, you're good. You're getting all the penetration on the sides of it.
All right, y'all. so this is it. All the plug welds are fully welded. Left them, they're excessive. I'm gonna grind those down. Hopefully they will be effectively invisible when all said and done. I still gotta do the perimeter welds at the joints, and then all the plug welds on the inside are done as well. You can see a little bit of that on the other side. And then the big fish plate is going to go on the inside of the frame. The outside, the intent is to have it look seamless and kind of factory. And so it looks like nothing was done. So still got a little work to do, but we ran pretty late last night, and I ended up having to call it because I've got to hit the road. So yeah, looking good though. All right, so that brings us up to date. Frame is finally back into one piece, which is great. And there's a lot of good progress last night. I had some friends come help me, and that was really appreciated. So hopefully getting some momentum going on this project again. I'm very excited about it. And but right now, I can't finish this because I've got to hit the road. My mom is turning 90 this weekend, so I got to go on a road trip and see mom, because it's not every day your mom turns 90 years old. So anyway, y'all be good, stay safe, and I will hopefully catch y'all real soon with another update. Take care.